Hello, everybody. So we're going to continue with our decision model. There is an issue I noticed here that I'm returning the stringified object here. That is not the correct thing. The reason is that when I try to retrieve this data in the variant, I'm going to want to use each of these values and put them into the HTML. And if it's stringified, it's going to be it's going to be very, very difficult. So this is not the way to go forward. The way to go forward would be a map. And then I would return, I would just return suggested product. Type map, suggested product. And then that way I can get each of these individual values in the HTML or JavaScript and not have to parse that JSON string. So let's go ahead and save that. I'm going to move this over. Well, I got to move this into test, to production. Let's archive that. All right. And then we are going to go up into our experience. And let's go to advanced edit. Let's go to the API, and then we're going to retrieve that data. Okay. Target group filter evaluation with 720. There's something with the filter. I'm just going to, for now, I'm going to remove this filter, and I'm going to find out what is happening here in the filtering, and then we will come back to it in the next episode. So I'm going to remove the filter just for now, just so I can show the rest of this. So that the next one we'll go over that. All right. So now in the API, go to data. Okay. Decision model name. Experience response is still empty. I would need to go to snippets. And then I have to go to this is the one. Okay. All right, and we're going to call it we need to go and get the decision model result node, and then we're going to need the field. Okay. I'm going to save this. Let's go back and get the node from there. All right. I believe it is. This is going to be the name, and this is going to be the field, I believe. Let's go back. Let's call this, so we're going to have our four fields are, let's go back in here, we have title, description, price, image. Okay, title. And this is going to be .title. And let's just verify that this is going to work, and then we'll do the other three. So I'm going to save this. Data following. do I just need to refresh here maybe? So this is saved, suggested similar product. Following my variable. So it's not going to be my variable, my bad. It's going to be suggested product. Okay. And then let's go to data. And there we go. We have the title. Perfect. And let's do the other ones. It is description, I believe. I'm just going to copy this. And we have, what was it, price? And then the last one is the image. All right, let's just take a look here. Refresh. Okay, there we go. So title is description, price, and image. All right, perfect. And now we can just go here. I can access, now you can see here if I right click, or not right click, if I just click, I can copy the path as JavaScript or for the HTML or CSS. So let's go ahead and do that. Message, and then I'm just going to, I'm not going to make it look pretty for now. I'll do that offline. But I'm just going to display these fields in here. Copy path as handlebars. And then description, let's maybe make this one at H2. Description could be a p tag. Not the title, description. Okay, and then the price. Oops. And then finally the image. So we go this. Best practice here would be to have an actual alt field of the product. You could probably get that. Actually, we would make that to title. We already have enough of that. I believe I'd have to be inside here. And why is it doing that? Title. Okay, never mind, it did. All right, we're good. All right, so there we go. And let's go ahead and take a look at this thing. All right, so there we go. Our image is not showing up for some reason. I'll debug that, but you can see we have our title, we have the description, the price, and then there's something wrong with the image, but I'll fix that later. I'll make this look less awful, a little bit less awful later. And but yeah, you can see the general idea here. We have all the data we need on the page for our suggested product. Okay, so next time we're going to look into that filter bug, and then I'm going to add a little bit more complexity to our decision model, maybe a promotion or decision table, etc. Okay, until next time, thank you.